In this video, I will show you how to increase level in Memefi. So in order to increase your level, what you can do is you can actually use a lot of things. Like you can make sure to utilize your spins efficiently, aiming for higher multipliers of times 2 times 3 to maximize gains. You need to also complete daily tasks. So regularly check and complete daily tasks for additional spins and rewards. And you can also watch videos in order to gain free spins. You can also purchase additional spins in order to maximize your resources and accelerate your leveling process. And then you can also participate in events in order to get unique rewards and extra points. And from there, you can also optimize gameplay strategy. You can merge cards and of the same level to advance efficiently, or you can use boosters to enhance gameplay. Next, or lastly, is we have you can also really connect your social accounts because it may gain you additional rewards and you can also share meme related content with extra leveling benefits. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.